RNAZ stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in the short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Transcode is melting. 5.8% down is quite tough, to be very frank and honest. This is how my chart is looking like. There you go. I begin being bearish way before like anyone else, I think. I mean, who cares what people said? This was made like 5 months, almost 6 months ago. And since then we even had like a reverse split, but we came down good strong, like 95+%. And even my most recent prediction was like a bearish market. If there was a double break, I was willing to take things lower. That just kind of crashed. So what I can say is that I'm still willing to take things lower. But yeah, only if the price does pick up and starts showing me some sort of double break am I willing to take it down. Other than that, everything else would just rather be pure noise. So let me know what is your opinion on this. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. That's free sauce.